How to fix Netgear Wireless Adapter not working or detected on Windows. 1. Check if your PC meets the minimum system requirements for Netgear Wireless Adapter. 2. Update or reinstall Netgear Wi-Fi adapter drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 3. Use NetAdapter repair at https://github.com/ConnorBernhard/netadapter-repair. 4. Change your power settings. Disable USB selective suspend setting option at advanced power settings /USB settings. 5. Start/restart the WLAN autoconfig service. 6. Temporarily disable your antivirus. 7. Tweak the channel settings for your Netgear adapter. Hint, try using 20 MHz of channel width and channels 1, 6, or 11. 8. Other tips. Update your Windows. Run Network Adapter Troubleshooter. Connect the USB Wi-Fi adapter directly to your computer. Check your adapter hardware, replace or try a different brand. Try a different USB port or PCI slot. 8.